Good morning, class ninth. This is chapter 3 Atoms and Molecules, and in today's class, we are going to do some numericals that is based on mole concept. What is mole concept? The mole concept is the number of particles, that is atoms, molecules or ions present in 1 mole of any substance is fixed, and the value is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, and that is also the Avogadro number that is presented by n naught, right? So this we have done this in the last class. Today we are doing some numericals on this concept. So the very first numerical, that is on page number 41 in your book. The first example is calculate the number of moles for the following. First is 52 gram of helium, finding mole for from mass. So here we have its solution. Number of moles, that is n, given mass is m, molar mass is capital M, given number of particles is n, Avogadro number is of particles is equals to n naught. So here are the first solution. The first is atomic mass of helium is equals to 4 mu, right? We know the atomic mass of helium, that is 4 mu. Now the molar mass of helium will be 4 gram, because the atomic mass of helium is 4 mu, so the molar mass will be 4 gram. Thus the number of moles will be equal to the given mass upon molar mass. This is the formula of to get the number of moles, that is small m, it means the mass of the element upon the molar mass of that element. So the mass of the element is, we have given it like 52 grams. So 52 upon 4 is equals to, when we divide it, we will get 13 as number of moles. So the number of moles in helium is 13 in 52 grams. Okay, so now here we have another part of this question as well, that is 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23 numbers of helium atoms, finding mole from number of particles. We have to find the number of moles here as well. So as we know, the 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, and that is the Avogadro number as well. So the number of moles is equal to given number of particles upon Avogadro number. So given number of particles are here 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23 upon the Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. So we will get the number of moles will be 2. Here in this case there will be only 2 moles. Okay, now moving to our next example, that is example number 3.4 at page number 42. So the example is calculate the mass of the following. Calculate the mass of the following. First is 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas, bracket mass from mole of molecule. Here is its solution. Mass is equals to molar mass into number of moles. So small m is equals to capital M into n, that is molar mass into number of moles, is equals to 28, that is the molar mass of N2, into 0.5, the number of moles that are given, is equals to, so the mass will be 14 grams. Here we have second part, 0.5 moles of an atom, mass from mole of atom. As we know, the atomic number of nitrogen is 14, so the mass will be molar mass into number of moles. Here are the molar mass. The molar mass is 14 into number of moles is 0.5. Then the mass will be 7 gram. It means the half of this one. As in this one we have N2 gas, that is N2 gas, and here we have only one atom of nitrogen gas. Now in the third part of this question, 3.011 into 10 raised to power 23 number of n atoms, mass from number. Here we have to find the number of moles, that is n is equals to given number of particles upon Avogadro number, and given number of particles is n upon n naught. So given number of particles are here 3.011 into 10 raised to power 23, and the Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Here we have the mass as molar mass into the number of moles. So here is the molar mass, that is 14 for nitrogen, and this is the formula to get the number of moles. So we will put it here, and then we will get the mass as 7 grams. So this will be the answer of this part. Now moving to next part, 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 number of N2 molecules, mass from number. Here we have the solution. N is equals to small n is equals to capital N upon n naught. So m is equals to molar mass into n upon n naught is equals to 28. Why 28? Because here we have N2. Okay, so 28 into given number of particles upon Avogadro number, then the mass will be 28 grams. This is the solution of example 3.4. Here we have another example as well, that is example number 3.5. Here in this question, calculate the number of particles in each of the following. First is 46 gram of Na, number of mass. So here is the solution, the number of atoms, that is given mass upon molar mass into Avogadro number. This is also formula to get the number of atoms. So capital N is equals to m upon capital M into n naught, and the given mass is, here the mass is given, that is 46 grams. So we will put it here in this, that 46 upon 23 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, and we will get the number of atom, that will be 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23. Now the next part of this question is 8 gram of oxygen molecules, number of molecules from mass. So here is the solution, the number of molecules, that is given mass upon molar mass into Avogadro number, n is equals to m upon m into n naught. Atomic mass of oxygen will be 16 mu. So molar mass of O2 will be the double of it, because we have we have two atoms of oxygen here. So that's why 16 into 2, that will be 32 gram. So n is equals to 8 upon 32 into Avogadro number. Here are the number of molecules, that is 1.51 into 10 raised to power 23. Here we have a last part of this question as 0.1 mole of carbon atoms, number from given moles. The number of particles atom is equals to number of moles of particles into Avogadro number. We only have to multiply the number of moles into Avogadro number, that is 0.1 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. So our answer will be 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, because यहाँ पर हमारा एक डेसिमल था, तो फिर हमने उसको उससे डिवाइड किया. सो दैट्स वाई वहाँ से हमारा एक जो है ज़ीरो इसमें से कम हो गया. दैट्स वाई वी हैव अ पावर ऑफ 22 with 10. So these were the questions. In next class we will do the more questions that are here, but in next class.